Hi guys, welcome back to Magic Paper, and today we'll be learning how to create this very easy box. I personally really like this box because you can use it for storage or you can also use it like a trash box. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm using A4 paper here, but you can use any kind of paper you want as long as it is a rectangle. First, you want to fold the paper in half. And do it again. Open your paper like this and squash it down. Do the same on the other side. Place your paper like this and bring this flap to the right side. Flip the paper and do the same thing again. Now, fold these two edges into the center. And fold this part up along this crease. Flip your paper and do the same thing again. Now it's time to open the box. And there it is, the very easy box. Comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.